Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode of Dub Monkey Garage. I know we've been gone a little while, but we're back now, and we'd like to welcome you back to the channel. So, let's get into this video and let me explain to you where we've been, what we've been up to, and obviously you've seen the title of this video. So, I have my new wheels on here in front of me for the GT86. Let's go get it! Okay guys, so like I said, I'm just going to give you guys a little update on where we've been and what we've been doing the last little while. So we've been doing a bit of work on the cars, off camera, been very busy with work and stuff like that, so every time we get to doing it, it's been fairly late. So taking the cameras out in the dark and stuff, it doesn't really work too well. So yeah, so in front of me here is Lucas's 350Z. He's going to be doing a video pretty soon, just kind of explaining what he's been up to and everything there. I should be doing probably a follow-up video with my 350Z as well, showing you guys an overview of what's done to the car and where we're taking the project in the future. Also, big plans coming very soon with my GT86. Big changes happening to that. Obviously the wheels are here in front of me. That's one small change, but in about a week or two, big changes are coming. Huge changes. I'm not going to spoil it here, but big changes are coming very soon. So stay tuned, hit subscribe, be excited. It's massive, honestly. Yeah, we are back now. I know I had a little hiatus where I took a little break from editing the videos and posting videos for you guys. I'm back now, and videos should be coming out quite regularly once again. We have some in the backlog in my hard drives on my computer that need to be edited and put together and sent forward. So they should be coming to you guys very soon, so stay excited. That should be great. In the meantime, I'm just gonna make this short little video today. You guys now have an update on what's been going on with the channel in the meantime, and I'm just gonna install these lovely wheels and give you guys a quick few cool shots, and that'll be it for today's video. But yeah, stay tuned. Hope you enjoy, hope you like. Let's go get it. Okay, so it's absolutely pouring out rain, but I'm really excited and I'm dying to get my wheels on. So I have some lovely JR Japan Racing wheel lug nuts ready to go on, because the hole for the lug nuts is a bit smaller, and I'm just gonna have to bring the GT over and we go from there. Let's go. Hopefully the rain doesn't get all over the camera, but we're gonna do it anyways. Let's go. Okay, I may have blacked out most of that, I'm not quite sure, but they look savage. I'm looking at them right now. They look absolutely awesome. I am sweating buckets doing this. So as you may have seen, I got stuck on the spacer nuts that were just welded on. So now I'm gonna give it a bash, take off the front ones. There they are there. Let's get them off. Let's go. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed them shots. I tried my best with them, just messing around with the settings and stuff like that, so hope you enjoyed. I know there wasn't much content. Oh, I didn't even mention what the name of the wheels are. They're Bola CSRs as far as I know, in a matte metallic bronze. Beautiful wheels with some Japan Racing steel lug nuts, which look incredible and really offset the wheel really nicely. So thank you for watching today's video. Please hit subscribe if you enjoyed the content. I know it's a little bit different, a little bit shorter than we usually go for, but if you enjoyed it, please hit subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Peace out guys, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.